What's up everyone, welcome to Ben's Car Reviews. I'm Ben and today we'll be dissecting the 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross. Let's get right into it with the chart. There will be 7 different ways to get your Corolla Cross, encompassing gas and hybrid trim options, ranging from the L starting off at nearly $24,000, rounding you out at the Hybrid XLE. Not too much further away for being 7 trims further up at $31,405. So hopefully there is a Corolla Cross trim here that falls in your price point and gets you what you want. Especially when it comes to powertrain, what do we got? The gas models will be a 2-liter 4-cylinder, 169 horsepower, 151 pound-feet of torque. That hybrid will also get you a 2-liter 4-cylinder hybrid setup with 196 horsepower, so you are getting some power there with that hybrid, but not significant amounts. That's definitely going to come more on the fuel efficiency. Transmission, there'll be CVTs, eCVTs paired with these engines. When it comes to the drivetrain, the L and the LE will come standard with front-wheel drive, optional all-wheel. The remaining trims will come standard with all-wheel drive. MPGs, not too shabby all around, even with the non-hybrid trim there, but that hybrid setup will get you the best at 45 city, 38 on the highway. But even if you get that base L, you're still getting over 30 in the city, which is great to see. Real quick, guys, here at Ben's Car Reviews, I strive to bring the most accurate, relevant information in our 10 minutes. There's no misleading and no waste of time. If that's something that's intriguing to you and you like this content as you watch, please like and subscribe so I continue to grow the channel. Let's keep going. The Corolla Cross came on the scene in 2022 and is certainly growing in popularity. Despite some maybe unorthodox looks, especially from the front, this rig is providing an affordable way to get a solid vehicle with that Toyota reputation behind it, and in the form of a hybrid as well. Toyota says clean lines, flared fenders, and a smooth silhouette give it a sophisticated yet powerful look that's sure to grab everyone's attention. I personally think it blends in with the crowd a bit, but it's certainly not meant to be a showstopper. I think it serves its purpose just fine with its design. There's an available multi-link rear suspension which helps optimize ride quality and handling performance. LEDs are standard all around in the lineup for headlights, taillights, and available daytime running light LEDs as well, which is great to see. LED fog lights are available. Automatic high beams are also standard, which really shows how that should be standard on all vehicles at this point, if even a $20,000 trim is going to get that standard. Wheels will either be 17 or 18 inches with a variety of designs and finishes, and they will all be wrapped in all-season tires. Great to see there. Roof rails are available and in black also. There's a power liftgate that's available, which I'm certainly annoyed to see is not standard. It seems like such a basic aspect of a vehicle to have at this point. Maybe that's a reason, something they decided is not worthy of the price tag, but I just don't see how that's possible. You're going to get black rocker body panels and black over fenders. Badging will be chrome on the gas trims and black on the hybrids. There's an optional 2-tone exterior color with black painted heated power outside mirrors and black rear spoiler. Definitely great color options from Toyota all around. And yes, the 2-tone options look great. Mostly finding that with a black roof. But the contrast is nice to see. I'm glad Toyota is still doing that across their lineup for the most part here. Color match rear spoiler is standard. Gas trims will get a black grille for some different looks versus the hybrid. Hybrid trims ramp up the style a bit with sport styling, with a sport front grille, front and rear bumpers, and smoked front Toyota emblem. The Nightshade trim will deck you out in the most black features if that's the look you want. It'll get you even Nightshade exclusive dark accented headlights and taillights, so they have that kind of dark tint to them, which I definitely think gives vehicles quite a different look. This thing measures in at 176.1 inches long, 71.9 inches wide, 64.9 inches tall, weighs in at 3,337 pounds at the most, and has 8.1 inches of ground clearance. So definitely, it's decently far off the ground, and a comfortable size as you're driving around. And there are some nice optional features that you can bring in on the lesser trims as well that aren't standard. I think the best bang for your buck, in my opinion, will be the XLE. I'm certainly not anti-hybrid, and in fact, going with the Hybrid S makes as much sense to me with them being so close in price. Both will get you standard all-wheel drive, extra standard features, and that hybrid will get you even more MPGs. I think that decision will also come down to exterior looks preference, because there are differences between the two. I always love when you can get a model Add a few trims up the ladder and have it not cost you an arm and a leg to get it. So let's see what you're getting on those interiors. We have a pretty run-of-the-mill interior here with an overall design that isn't too flashy but not hard on the eyes either. I think it's totally adequate for these price tags and what Toyota is bringing with this vehicle. This is a 5-seater with a great amount of room in the trunk, or the back seat I should say, or the back end, adding up to 24 cubic feet of storage. So certainly versatile. 60-40 split folding rear seats assist in those storage efforts. An 8-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard across the board and looks nice sitting atop the dash area. Definitely great to see that the bottom trim is not getting a smaller touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability. The standard screen size across the board is different though when it comes to the fully digital information gauge cluster, because the L and the LE get a 4.2-inch screen setup and the rest of the trims get a 7-inch, so definitely benefit going above the LE. One of the reasons why I picked the XLE to be the best bang for your buck. Wireless charging is available. There's an available JBL premium audio system that has 9 speakers, including a subwoofer and JBL amplifier. A 6-speaker system is standard. A moonroof is also available, and that can be optioned in on the trims that it's not standard on. Rear seat vents are standard on all trims. Great to see there. Heated front seats are on the XLE and up. Another reason why the XLE is a great option for best bang for your buck. There's available 10-way power adjustable driver seats. Interior packages include a moonroof package and convenience package. Toyota Safety Sense will land you a host of driver's assist, safety and technology features, and even more available. Overall, I think Toyota did more than fair for how they optioned these trim standard features. Given how many trims they are to build off of and the price points, I think Toyota could have lacked the bottom trims more than they did. So I'm happy to see, what they ended up doing. Obviously, the digital gauge cluster did get the short end of the stick, but at least the infotainment screen didn't lack there. Materials are what you're going to expect. It is what it is for these price tags. Interview guys, if you're in the market for a vehicle such as this Corolla Cross here in 2024, you're wondering what it might go up against, I'd say some of the big players right off the bat that I can think of would be the Mazda CX-30, the Hyundai Kona, the Honda HR-V, Kia Seltos. Stuff in that region is pretty good. Spec comparison as far as what it's bringing. Obviously powertrains, looks, all differ, but that's definitely coming down anyway to a personal preference. But certainly across the board, they're all offering their own great versions of what they have, and I'll attach a couple of those reviews that I've already done on these models at the end of this video, so definitely check those out if you're wanting to compare all that information. Check out the charts, see what they're offering different from each other. But if you're wanting to go with this Corolla Cross, I think you're making a great decision, both gas or hybrid. I will always vouch for Toyota, as will many other people, because Toyota reliability is something that just can't be overlooked when buying a vehicle. There's that confidence that comes with that, which instantly I think puts any Toyota towards the top of a list, just because of that reliability. Even if you might not like the design quite as much, if you're getting a great product, it definitely makes a big difference for your hard-earned money. But if you want to go with this Corolla Cross, I think you made a great decision. It should be a great vehicle for years to come. Hopefully this video laid things on a clear way for you guys. And if you're watching this Benz car review, please subscribe if not already. If you have an idea for future review, drop in the comments and I'll see what I can do. If you'd like to become a member of the channel, I have that option. Check that out and join if you'd like, and I'll catch you on the next Benz car review.